continue to do the leg yielding in. I think the leg yielding is good, right, what you're trying to do. But you try to get him a little more into the opposite rein, right? He moves from your left leg. Does he fill out the right rein? And just trying to get a little better connection on the right side, right? Yeah, good. There. Yeah, and then go straight this time down the long side for a moment. Yeah, there. This tempo. Good. Yeah, there. Good. Yeah, and steady. Yeah, steady. Good. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Yeah, not faster, right? Not faster. That he doesn't speed up, even in the slightest, right? Yeah, there. Good. Because just by getting the steady tempo or this repetition, we just get him to settle a little more and hopefully get him to reach a little, with that, to reach a little bit more. Don't let him get bigger. Yeah. Don't let him get bigger. Yeah. There. Not too big, right? Yeah. Good, not there. We have to get him to settle just a little bit more, that he relaxes a little more in his neck and reaches for the contact just a little more, right? So sometimes he ducks a little bit behind it and, yeah, steady, steady, yeah, like that, steady, good, good, yeah, but that's okay, good, yeah. So now from A, ride a 4-loop serpentine, right? Yeah, not faster, good. This is nice, yeah, good. That's fine. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Correct. Yeah. Get the bending. Get the bend. Yes. Ready. Yeah. Yeah. That's all right. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Yeah. Good. This is fine. Steady. Not faster. Always thinking that that he's almost a little bit boring in the repetition, in the steady tempo and that repetition of the tempo of the beat. Yeah. There. And quiet. Good. And go straight again. Good. Yeah. Yeah. There. Yeah. This is fine. Yeah. Good. Good. Yeah. That's it. Good. This is nice here. Yeah. I like the trot you have, right? Yeah. You can have a very fancy trot, right? It can be very big and very flashy, but the key is getting it very, very consistent, very relaxed, and a little bit more swing through. When I say very relaxed, it is relaxed and softer in its top line, and is in the end willing to reach a little more for the bit, right? Yeah, not faster. Yeah, good. Yeah, good. So now turn and come down the center line and just leg yield from your right leg over to the rail to the letter B. Yeah, and bend it. Good. Yeah, and then quietly over. Yeah, there, like this. Yeah, not faster. Yeah, there you go. Good. Yeah, I think it's important that, again, that he doesn't go over too fast, that he doesn't run away from the inside leg. Quiet, good. And then down the center line from A and the same thing. And yeah, this is better. Good turning. Yeah, and see if he'll reach a little more for this outside rein, right? Yes, yes, and steady. There, yeah. And quietly forward. Good. That's it. Good. This is nice. Yeah, and then the last time. Good. This is good. Good. Yep. There. Yep. Good. And steady. Yep. Over. Quiet. Like that. Yep. There. Yes. Yes. Good. There. Good.